Vegetable omelette takes its first place among healthy and quick breakfasts in our kitchen, and it's also a rich protein breakfast. So today, let me show you how to make this. I'm Nancy Ogbebo and you are welcome to my kitchen. So in my bowl, I'll be adding in 3 eggs. I'll add in my diced onion, spring onion, red bell pepper, chicken seasoning, curry powder, ginger powder, red chili flakes, salt to taste, and I'm going to be whisking this lightly. So grease the non-stick pan with vegetable oil or butter, whichever is okay. I'll be adding in my whisked egg and let it sit for about 20 seconds without stirring it until the edge begins to set. Please do this on a low heat, then gently roll the cooked omelettes. So give this a roll. And this is the beauty of this omelette. So when it comes to healthy eating, nothing makes it easier than combining eggs and veggies together. Not only do eggs and veggies taste great together, they also provide the perfect solution to easy and healthy snacking. And do you have difficulties in eating up veggies before they go bad? This easy frittata recipe is perfect for adding in any extra veggies that you have at hand. Eating egg alongside with your vegetable can help your body take in more healthy antioxidants and so many good things that comes with eating veggies. Okay, so this is my final look. This is how it is. Thank you everyone for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe if you have not, and turn on the bell so that you can get notified whenever I upload new video. Please drop your comment at the comment section what you feel about this video. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, share to your friends and family, and enjoy with your friends and family too. So from me is bye bye. See you in my next one.